A trust fund is a legal arrangement used to hold and protect assets for beneficiaries. Let's break down how they actually function. At the heart of every trust is a fiduciary, someone legally bound to manage assets in the best interest of the beneficiary. There are three primary roles involved in any trust arrangement, each with specific legal responsibilities and expectations. People use trusts to control exactly when and how their assets are distributed, often bypassing the public and expensive probate court system. A will only activates after you pass away and must go through probate, whereas a trust can function during your lifetime. Trusts vary in complexity. Revocable trusts can be changed at any time, while irrevocable trusts are permanent and offer different tax protections. Regardless of your net worth, these legal structures provide a clear roadmap for how your assets should be handled over time. Consult with a qualified estate attorney to see if a trust fits your situation. Thanks for watching and stay financially informed.